Everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make a beautiful frame of a home decor using a Buddha Insta transfers. So this is the frame which we will be creating, and it's a very beautiful gift or perfect for your home decor. So let's get started. So you will need a wooden element, that's a base by iCraft. So first we will take out the base from our packaging, and this base is into a different parts, so we're gonna detach all the parts. So that will be easy for painting and giving a beautiful effect. So once you separate all the parts of this frame, we're gonna use a chalk paint. Here is a mini starter pack where I'm using first a cream pie color for a base. So any insta transfer you're working, you need to have white base. And with the paintbrush, we're gonna paint entire as a white color. One coat will be more than sufficient. And once it's dry, we're gonna take another shade, that's old world blue color, and that I'll be doing it to my other parts of this frame which are border. So we'll stick them on each other and then we can paint it, or you can paint and then stick it. So all four sides we're gonna paint with old world blue. And you have to do sides as well as. Now I'm taking my Insta transfer of Buddha. You can choose any other design also. So first I'll be taking the sheet and I'm gonna cut the edges or a border which is extra white lines. Now it has a plastic film on the top which we will be removing. And we will stick reverse on the base. And you will need a water to do a transfer on this base. So this print we're gonna transfer on the base using with the help of a wet sponge or a water. I'm gonna use my water all over my print. Once it's done, slowly we will just check and we will peel the paper from the, and here my entire beautiful print has been transferred on my base, and we have to allow it for at least settling for a 5-10 minutes. And once it's settled, we're gonna use a matte varnish. You can use any varnish on top like matte or gloss. Again, that we will be apply with the brush. Just give a nice generous amount of a varnish coat on this print. Once this layer of varnish has been given, we will allow it to dry. Once it's dry, all the four sides frames are ready with the paint, and we're gonna stick them with the help of paper glue. You can use any paper glue. This is how we will assemble our frame. Once this assemble and settle, we're gonna use our metallic wax. I'm using here a gold shade, and with the help of my finger I will just apply on the edges to give a little beautiful metallic effect. It is absolutely okay if you are just not doing this step, but this gives you additional beauty. And here my entire beautiful home decor frame is just ready in 5 minutes. So this is a very quick and a beautiful makeover of the frame. Thank you so much for watching this video.